Hello, so in today's class we look at one more problem on reduction to canonical form. So you are given the equation 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So we have a equal to 9, then h is equal to minus 12, b will be 16, and G is minus 1, F is minus 1, and C is equal to 5. So the determinant delta is going to be 9, then you have minus 12 and minus 12 here, then B comes here, then you have G here, so minus 1, so F comes here, minus 1, then 5 here. So if you look at the determinant, that will be 9 into, so 80 minus 1 plus 12 into minus 60 minus 1 minus 12 plus 16 varum. So that will be 9 into 79 minus 61 into 12 minus 28. So the values are going to be, so when you take 9 into 79, you'll get 711 minus 61 into 12, that will be 732 minus 28. So you can see it is not equal to 0. Now D will be AB minus h square. So that is 16 into 9 minus 12 whole square. So which is equal to 0. So therefore delta not equal to 0 and D is equal to 0. So therefore the equation represents a parabola. So the given conic is going to be a parabola. Now let us use the transformation. So let the axis be rotated through an acute angle theta. So the equation transforms to so we have x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So that will give us 9. We have x square, so x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square minus 24 x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Then we will get 16 y square, so that is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta whole square minus 2 x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Then you have okay, sorry, that is minus 2 x7, sorry, okay, minus 2x, then you have minus 2y, so minus 2 x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus 5 equal to 0. Now let us collect the coefficients. So x dash square in the coefficient 9 cos square theta minus 24 cos theta sin theta plus 16 sin square theta varum, then for x dash y dash, we will have the coefficient minus 18 cos theta sin theta, then minus 24 cos square theta, then plus 24, okay, plus 24 sin square theta varum, plus 32 cos theta sin theta. So that is the coefficient of x dash y dash. Then coefficient of y dash square will be again 9 sin square theta. So y dash square plus 24 cos theta sin theta. Last term in the 16 cos square theta. So that is the coefficient of y dash square. Next, coefficient of x dash will be minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Plus coefficient of y dash will be 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Plus 5 equal to 0. So that's the constant term. And now we choose theta such that the coefficient of x dash y dash is 0. So choose theta such that coefficient of x dash y dash is 0. So that will give, so you will get minus, okay, 24 sin square minus cos square, then you have 32 minus 18, so which is 14 sin theta cos theta. Equal to 0. So that implies 12 sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 7 sin theta cos theta will be equal to 0. So dividing throughout by cos square theta, you will get 12 tan square theta minus 1 plus 7 tan theta equal to 0. So that gives 12 tan square theta plus 7 tan theta minus 12 equal to 0. So upon solving this as a quadratic equation, you will get tan theta equal to 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 3. So since we have taken theta as an acute angle, so tan theta will be equal to 3 by 4. So when tan theta equal to 3 by 4, so that implies so sin theta will be 3 by 5 and cos theta will be 4 by 5. Now let us substitute the values of sin theta and cos theta in the equation. Okay. So 9 cos square theta minus 24 cos theta sin theta plus 16 sin square theta. That's the first term. Okay. So you have x dash square, then 9 into 16 by 25 minus 24 into 12 by 25 varum plus 16 into 9 by 25 so that will be the first term plus x dash y dash in the coefficient 0 ആയിരിക്കും കാരണം നമ്മൾ തീറ്റ അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So y dash square, so let us look at the coefficient. So that is 9 sin square theta plus 24 sin theta cos theta plus 16 cos square theta. So we will get 9 into 9 by 25 plus 24 into 12 by 25 plus 16 into 16 by 25, and coefficient of x dash will be minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Minus 2 into 4 by 5 minus 2 into 3 by 5, and coefficient of y dash will be 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. 2 into 3 by 5 minus 2 into 4 by 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So that will give, so let us calculate the values. So when you take 6, okay, when you take this coefficient, that will be equal to 0. So x dash in the coefficient 0 ആകും. നമ്മൾ ഈ ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുമ്പോൾ then already this is 0, then y dash square into, so you will get 81 plus 288 plus 256 by 25, then this will be minus 14 by 5x dash, then minus 2 by 5 y dash plus 5 equal to 0. So let us look at the sum. 81 plus 288 plus 256, so that is 625, upper 625 by 25. Okay, so you will get 25 y dash square minus 14 by 5 x dash minus 2 by 5 y dash plus 5 equal to 0. Now let us complete the square. So first let me okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഇനി സ്ക്വയർ ടേം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, 25 outside you will get this. So that will be y dash square minus 2 by 125 y dash minus 14 by 125 x dash plus 1 by 5 equal to 0. So that is y dash square minus 2 y dash into 1 by 125. So this is the term b, 2a b formula. So 125 whole square minus 1 by 125 whole square, that will be okay, minus 14 by 125 x dash varum plus 1 by 5 equal to 0. So you will get y dash minus 1 by 125 whole square equal to 14 by 25 x dash minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 125 square. Simplifying, we will get in this form. Now changing the origin to, so 19525 by 54691 and 1 by 125. The equation reduces to, so we will get y double dash equal to 14 by y dash, sorry y dash, okay, it is y double dash, transformation which variable change ചെയ്യും. So y double dash square equal to 14 by 25 x dash. So this is the required canonical form. So this is the canonical form. So that is how we find the canonical form in the case of parabola.